Fast passes are no longer available at Walt Disney World or Disneyland. There's a new program called Disney Genie Plus, and it has multiple tiers, so it's confusing for even the best Disney expert. So I will be breaking it down for you in this video. What is Disney Genie Plus? Disney Genie brings existing My Disney Experience features together in one place. You can join a virtual queue at certain attractions. You can make dining and experience reservations, order mobile order food at many locations, and get help from a virtual assistant, plus more. There are 3 tiers to the Disney Genie program. The first tier, Disney Genie, is complimentary with your theme park tickets. This new addition to the app, it will help you with things like a real-time tip board, forecasted wait times, mobile ordering, restaurant wait lists, check-ins and reservations, attraction virtual queues. Because you booked with Showcase the World Travel, I will help you navigate this new program. I'll make personalized recommendations about what I think is going to be the best value for you. And if you purchase the Premier Planning Package, then you will get exactly what attractions to try to utilize the service for in your daily touring plan. The second tier of this program is Disney Genie Plus. Disney Genie Plus is a paid service that allows you to take your day to the next level. You can select arrival windows for Lightning Lane entrances that are available at more than 40 attractions across the 4 theme parks. So there's a lot of new terminology here. Disney Genie is free. Disney Genie Plus, you can add at an additional cost. Disney Genie Plus gets you access to the Lightning Lane entrance. So Lightning Lane entrance, Disney Genie Plus, Disney Genie. Hope you're still with me because I know this is confusing. So basically, Disney Genie Plus service is available for $15 per guest per ticketed day. You can add the option to your room ticket package for the length of your stay. So if you have a 4-day ticket, you can add it to all 4 days in advance. If you only want it for a few days here and there, for example, just for your Magic Kingdom day and your Epcot day, you don't think you're going to use it at Hollywood Studios or Animal Kingdom or whatever you choose. If you want it just for 1 day or 2 days and not the whole length of stay, you add it the morning of. That is the Disney Genie Plus. The third tier, so remember, first tier, Disney Genie, free. Second tier, Disney Genie Plus, paid. Third tier is individual Lightning Lane selection. So remember, Lightning Lane is the entrance that you use to skip the line or get to the attraction faster. And you get access to that with Disney Genie service, except for the most highly demanded attractions. Those are only available through individual Lightning Lane selection. Some of the most highly demanded attractions offer Lightning Lane entry as an a la carte purchase. This option is available for all guests with or without Disney Genie Plus. So you don't have to have Disney Genie Plus in order to purchase an individual Lightning Lane selection. It lets you choose a time to arrive at up to 2 attractions each day. So the most popular attractions in each park does not offer Disney Genie Plus. They only offer individual Lightning Lane selection. So there's some strategy here. You can either do Disney Genie Plus and rope drop the individual Lightning Lane attractions, and that will get you ahead of the crowds, or you can do individual Lightning Lane selections and rope drop some of the more popular Disney Genie attractions, and you do your individual Lightning Lane later in the day. So you don't need both. You can do both. You can do none. You can do one or the other. There's a lot of options here, which is why it's so complicated. So individual Lightning Lane selection, the pricing and availability varies by date, attraction, and park. So be sure to check out the My Disney Experience app on the day of your visit for current prices and attraction availability. Currently, the prices range from $7 to $15 per attraction. So how do I add Disney Genie to my park tickets? The best way to purchase Disney Genie is to add it to your room ticket package before your stay. It makes it a little bit easier. It's one less thing to worry about in the morning. If for some reason you do not add it before your trip, you're able to add it each morning for individual days on your smartphone. You do need a smartphone for these programs. How do you purchase individual lightning selections? The same thing. You purchase them through My Disney Experience on the morning of use. As part of my planning services, I will include Disney Genie usage recommendations for you, what I think you're going to get the most value of. Is it worth adding all days or just some days? If you purchased the Premier planning package with me, I will put more recommendations in your daily touring plan. It's delivered a couple weeks before your arrival date. But in general, I think Magic Kingdom, has the most value for Disney Genie Plus because of the number of eligible attractions and the amount of time saved. You make your first lightning lane for Jungle Cruise and rope drop Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. It's kind of my strategy for the Magic Kingdom for most families. I think you definitely want to purchase Disney Genie Plus for Magic Kingdom. If you're spending the whole day at Epcot and just get there before the park opening to ride Test Track and Soaring during the first hour, purchase Lightning Lane for Frozen Ever After and Remy's Ratatouille Adventure if you don't get a boarding group in the virtual queue. I think for Epcot, using the individual lightning lane selection is perfectly fine. You don't necessarily need Disney Genie Plus. Hollywood Studios, if you love thrills, if you have older kids who love thrills, you can get a great value out of Disney Genie Plus. Slinky Dog Dash is usually gone within milliseconds, so get that one first, and then rope drop Mickey's Runaway Railway. If you're there all day, wait until Rise of the Resistance wait times drop in the evening. Otherwise, purchase the second individual lightning lane selection. For families with younger children, you can rope drop Slinky Dog, move on to Mickey's Runaway Railway before returning to Toy Story Land. So if you're going to do all of the thrills, if you're going to do Tower of Terror, Rock and Roller Coaster, both of the Star Wars attractions, all three of the Star Wars attractions, then I think Disney Genie is a good value for Hollywood Studios. If you have younger kids, you're just going to do Toy Story Land, Mickey's Runaway Railway, Lightning McQueen, those kind of things, then I don't think it's good value there. Disney's Animal Kingdom, you want to use an individual lightning lane selection for Flight of Passage. It is the most incredible attraction. You can rope drop Kilimanjaro Safari, then head to Expedition Everest. I don't think Disney Genie Plus has a great value at Animal Kingdom. You can get by with just using the individual lightning lane selections. If you don't want to purchase Disney Genie Plus, that's okay. Just like Park Hoppers, Disney Genie is an optional add-on for your theme park tickets. There are obviously many benefits to adding Disney Genie to your package. I am happy to discuss the pros and cons for your unique family.